All right, made in New York City factory footage. I'm just making stuff. It's darker during the day now, so the lighting is different, as you can tell, at the Adafruit factory. This is us with a bunch of screens.
What is that?
It's all the containers that the screens came in.
Oh yeah, because when we get screens, they come in
Yeah.
in these things, and we have to save them, and we recycle them.
Yeah,
So you're like, where does my TFT come in? That's how they show up.
and that's how tall they are.
Yes,
It's a human-sized one.
it looks like one Jackie tall.
Here's a tester prototype.
Yep.
Selective solder
Some
machine.
selective soldering is happening. Looks like it's. What are those? Looks like those are FTDI friends. No, sorry, Bluefruit friends. And this is the other side,
Yeah.
but very fast. It's usually not this fast.
So you can see the cameras that are inside that look at the selective soldering.
And that's Michelle running the machine.
And it wouldn't be some made in New York City factory footage without a look outside now. So
Yeah.
beautiful fall weather happening here.
Soho is
in New
beautiful
York.
in the fall.
And they're now pouring some concrete. This is Disney across the street from us. This is where they're burying all your Disney Plus money.
It's just at the vault.
Because they're making the Disney Vault.
Yeah, they are. It's true.
And they're converting it all to gold and they're burying it. And it's right across the street from us. And then, of course, getting some nice sunsets.
They're nice. Beautiful New Jersey sunsets.